your ear to the ground. I don't know if that's the best use of Midas talent. Seems like a good fit. Goblins can acquire anything, at any time.
High Mountain stands.
While words of encouragement are always welcome. Are you sure about that? Have you wise choice? High Mountain Tauren are really strong.
I've been working on some...
You did see him sleeping, right? Good call. Nomi is well known for his culinary creations. Let's tell the vintner about the changes we've made.
Ashtorash Denil.
Dolly likes you. I can tell. Hey, don't die out there.
Greetings, my friend. Always use fresh ingredients.
What's up? Go get him, champ.
Variety is the spice of life. Let's get cooking. Life is more pleasant on a full stomach.
Ashtorash Denil.
A decent color, and it has legs. Such a fragrant bouquet. Exquisite. I couldn't have done better myself.
Oh, hi. I can help. It's never safe to travel alone. Meet you back in the big city!
Thank goodness I've reached you. I need your help.
We fight when we must. For Aziro, I must apologize for so hastily dismissing you earlier. The Horde endures because we band together in times of adversity. Though I turned you away, you selflessly came to our aid, just as you did in Vol'dun. Such is the true spirit of the Horde. If you still desire to join us, you would be most welcome within our ranks.
It would be our honor, High Chieftain.
Then it is decided. From this day forth, the Volpera of Vol'dun are allies of the Horde.
Speak freely.
They don't eat alpacas here, right?
sounds risky.
That's why we're not bringing the crew. Not until we know more.
May the Loa bring you fortune.
Champion! I fight to protect those who cannot protect themselves. Speak. My life for Sandra. You have my attention. It has been centuries since our people have crowned a new ruler. To claim her throne, Talanji must undergo our most sacred rite. Her spirit will be weighed and measured in the eyes of the Loa. I have a special role in mind for you, champion. You will act as my witness. If I am found wanting, my people will hear of the Loa's decision from you.
They be sure to find you worthy, princess.
This rabble must be taught the proper respect, Your Highness. Let them talk, Rata. They are free to voice their dissent. There is much to do. Speak quickly.
Princess Talanji!
Zulani, what is wrong?
A riot has broken out in the Zocalo. We must act quickly.
Heretics! They must pay for this with their lives.
Lady,
No, it is their right to be angry. I will use force only as a last resort. Champion, I believe you are best equipped to handle this. I will guard Talanji. Do what you must to end this nonsense.
Who you be?
Mind your step around me. Hello, man. Shadra be watching.
Hello, man.
I will do whatever I must to keep my people safe.
Say the word, and I will execute these traitors.
These are our people, High Prelate. Spare those who can be made to see reason.
The rest will soon meet the law they so abhor. I call, and the light of the lower answers.
I need a target.
Praise the Lower of Kings.
I don't have a time. I need to target something first.
You stand before the High Prelate. Zandala forever.
I should speak with the priesthood. They are not the ones who brought this turmoil upon us.
In due time, princess. The sooner the Loa grant you the throne, the better for Zandalar.
Is that really the form you choose to walk around in?
What do you think of my new council, champion?
Leave, small unity.
May Paku spy your enemies before they spy you.
Zandalar forever. Loa watch over you. This is a council of many firsts. You represent the hope of the Zandalari and my wishes for the future. We have much to do, but together we will prosper. I humbly
Perhaps you did not get the message, Talanji.
What is the meaning of this?
Allow me to introduce myself. I am the voice that whispers while others roar. I am the spider in whose web you now ride.
You are to blame for the unrest that plagues the city.
Even now, you cannot see where the blame truly lies. For that, you must die.
That traitorous spider! Look out!
Change, and so must Zandalar. Zandalar forever. Times change, and so must Zandalar. I will do whatever I must to keep my peace.
It need not end this way, Samara. Do not make me send you to Bwansamdi.
Yes, call your master. If I must die to expose the truth, then so be it. I am coming, Shadra.
Loa keep you, White Widow. Are you hurt?
We are unharmed, despite the White Widow's intentions.
Good. Gather yourselves and assemble everyone atop Sanchul. I must now face. I confess, I do not know what to expect next. But I do know that you must not intervene. You cannot help me here as you did with Samara. Steel yourself, champion. The Loa look upon us.
Yes, small one.
Greetings, almighty Kragwa.
Ah, the little queen-to-be. Tell me, Talanji, what would you give to protect those who are yours to defend?
All that I have. My own life, if necessary.
Is that so? Prove it.
Champion!
Ha! Now they are weak. Defend them!
Do not worry. I will let no harm come to you. Back, Toad. You will not eat my witness. Shoo! Go away! Just hold on a little longer.
Ha! Your actions speak truth. You have my blessing. Speak to Kragwa. Gonk will be the next to test your worth. Good luck, Talanji.
Come, champion. Lower of shapes, you are a welcome sight.
Rest a moment, Talanji. All I wish is for you to consider something.
I am listening, Great One.
Have you come to bargain? My kind draws strength from the pack. To defend our home, we Loa banded together and stood as one. And so I ask you, who is your pack? The Zandalari, surely. But what of your allies? The Tortolans, the Vulpira? And what of the Horde? Think on this, and go with my blessing.
I have, and I will. Thank you.
Paku will offer the next trial. Remain strong, Talanji.
Greetings, Wind Mother.
Hello, my wingless child. Come to me. I would have words with you. May the wind be at your back, moving me. This storm stands between you and your crown. Ascend, Talanji!
I expected nothing less. I can barely see. Are you still with me, champion?
Having trouble?
Gah!
The tree that stands rigid in the wind will snap its branches! Bend, my child!
I cannot fight the winds of change.
but I will endure them.
I like your spirit, little one. Have you come to bargain? This was an amusing lesson. Now, take my blessing. Wings be at your back.
You dare stand in the place meant for Rezan? Does your arrogance have no limit, one Samdi?
Mind your manners, child. Wolfborn Samdi be raised above all of the law. Just like your father said.
Test me and be done with this.
Oh, you miss me. Since you be so eager to get rid of me, I got a new deal for you. Bring me the head of the Horde's war chief, and I be forgetting all about your father's bargain.
Oh, by the law. No, the Horde stood beside us when all seemed lost. I will not repay them with betrayal.
That's your final answer?
It is. My freedom is not worth my honor.
That is a real shame. Been wanting a war chief spirit for a long time. But go on. Claim your crown.
The light of the lower shines upon you, my queen. Thank you, Rata. And you, champion. The time has come to address my people. People of Zandala, I stand before you having proven myself to the lower. But it is your trust that I must earn. Many questioned my judgment when I reached out to the Horde. But without their aid, we would have collapsed under the weight of our pride. These mighty allies have given Zandala new strength. A glorious future awaits our empire. And we must embrace it together. Will you stand with me? Zandala forever! There is much to do. Speak quickly. I will await the war chief upon my throne.
We are the Forsaken. We will slaughter anyone who she thinks to summon me. I suppose she has allowed some posturing today. Congratulations, Your Majesty.
Thank you, War Chief. I believe we have an urgent matter to discuss now that I am queen.
Yes, it is beyond time we did.
The Horde has been a trustworthy ally to Zandala. Without our partnership, we may not have overcome the threats that rose against us. I understand that you have need of our forces. The Alliance will stop at nothing to destroy you. So let it be official. The Zandalari and the Horde will stand together as equals.
Equals?
I am the Queen of Zandala, and a queen kneels to no one. Surely you understand.
I see. Very well, Queen Talanji. The Horde welcomes you. You have performed admirably. Arrangements will be made to greet our new allies in Orgrimmar.
aid you. Thank you for coming, Mela. It is my honor to welcome you to Mordor.
Your invitation was most kind. It is time for our two peoples to renew our bonds of kinship.
It is of kinship that I wish to speak. I hope that Spirit Walker. Remember that I left the mountain. The wolves have weakened. You will be ours. I knew this all too well. Champion, we need your help. May the Earth Mother smile upon you. We will drive your shadow from Mordor. The Tauren stand proud. We serve as caretakers of this world.
What has the wind brought?
Keep to the roads, traveler.
A champion arrives in our most dire hour. Welcome.
Remain vigilant. We defend this world together. Your defiance means death.
Too far away.
We defend High Mountain. Anshe guide you. A champion arrives in our most dire hour. Welcome. Sun and moon light your